exist. And people of God, if you're ready like we're ready right now, let's show you amazing videos of what Jesus did for people like you and me. And when we come back, we'll eat of the flesh of Jesus and drink of his blood. Take a look at what Jesus did. Inanimate object, for the same power that raised Jesus from the dead, the same power that raised Jesus from the dead, inanimate object that have stopped walking, the sound of your amen, let them receive life.
So my own inanimate object testimony has reached my house. So this is how it is. My own is not device that's spoiled. My own is software. Imagine my school, my online school, University of the People, they gave us a Microsoft Access account, like Microsoft account. So for like 2 months now, my Microsoft account has not been working. It keeps showing like could not recognize device. So I can't use it on my system. So I'm just using Microsoft. Either I'm using it like the crack version, but this one that is paid for, that give me access to everything, it has not been working on my system. I just open it, say let me log in again, and let my face drag this inanimate object into software. It's no longer hardware now, software. So imagine, previously if I log in, it takes a lot of time. At the end of the day, to tell me it cannot, because one error message, and I've written to my IT department, they are not giving me any response. So now I just did this thing. I say, inanimate object, you must work on this software. Look, it just happened now. Look, account added to this service. You now have access to your organization's app and services. If this is a shared device, make sure to remove your information when finished. This one happened nah. Like my own inanimate object testimony don't come my house.
This blender has not been working for 5 years. You can even see the dust on the top. How the whole blender is gumming with dust. So I tried. I came to come and plug it here. Now look at the blender. It's working perfect. Looking perfect. What God cannot do does not exist.
Error has passed my house. See my washing machine. This washing machine was faulty. Look at it. When you on it, the thing will be opening by itself. Writing error. But now look at it. After praying for inanimate object, it has started working fine. It's now working fine. It's not opening by itself again. It's not writing any error. It's working.
My iPad is working. I charged it for 4 days now, and it's still working. It's been on for 4 days. And Pastor Jerry, back to this kettle and then hot plate. It stopped working, and then my sister initially sent it to the repairer. They repaired it, they brought it back, it still didn't work. So when the inanimate object bonanza was going on, I was just like, can you also tap into it? And Pastor Jerry, it's working!
Hey, Inanimate promo has gotten to my household. So here, this kettle stopped working for the past 6 months. We took it to a repairer, he worked on it and he brought it back. And we could use it for only 2 weeks and it stopped working again. This microwave here too stopped working for the past 2 weeks. So as this inanimate object promo was ongoing, today, 12 December, Nsppd and see, my kettle is now working. And the microwave too. Here, listen. It's also working.
It has gotten to my house, so inanimate objects are working. They are working. This my blender has not been working for over 1 year, and today I want to use it because everyone has been testifying, and it has gotten to my turn. I just turned it on and see it is working.
Can you imagine? Blender has not worked for 4 full years. This is a miracle.
Inanimate object is working in my house.
Since 3 days now, we've been trying this and I said, it must work for me. Before every day I keep hearing testimony. Inanimate object. It is my turn. I told my children, leave the girl outside. Keep trying it. It must work. And like Jesus rose up on the third third day, my brain started working on the third day of this prayer. In our storeroom, there is a microwave we did store there. That's been there for a long time ago. Like, I decided to try it today on my own. Like, it has been tempting me. Go to the storeroom, take out this microwave, go and take it out. Now, I just brought it out. I didn't take it to the kitchen in this same bedroom. Look, this is really, really dirty. Like, look, this has not been working. Look, it's even getting rust. You can see it's even getting rust. You can see that it's getting rust because it has not been working. It has been packed there. Yeah, we even packed it out that we're going to throw it away when we have got the time. Look, just look. Look, you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. It's working. What God cannot do does not exist.
Pastor Jerry, hey, you've been knowing about inanimate objects.
Yes.
Our inanimate objects. Our inanimate object.
This roofer.
It has not worked for 14 years.
14 years.
14 years.
Not working.
Not working.
I kept it in the cupboard.
See now. See now.
Here. Here.
Here the inanimate object. It is
Today.
working. Here.
Thank you so much for listening to the end. Please like this video, share it with someone, and kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you.